everybody, welcome back to my channel. So on today's video is another episode of experimenting with colors. So I've created this cute little eye look with the Nubian 2 palette from Juvia's place. I'm starting to just kind of go through all my palettes and play with them and create different looks. So if you like this look, obviously keep on watching so you can know how to do it. But before we get into anything, hit that subscribe button. Click that bell, getting the notifications when I post new videos, and then click that like button, letting me know you're liking the stuff that I'm putting out. So, without wasting any more time, let's get into this tutorial. Alright, before we get into the video, I gotta do my weekly shout outs. So, the shout outs for this week is my girl, Lulu, aging gorgeously. Go check out her channel. I'll leave her channel info up in the cards. And also check out Miss Solstice Beauty by Jessica, Miss Jessica Brown. I'll also leave her information up in the cards as well. So, without wasting any more time, now let's get into this video. Alright, so we're doing another experimenting with colors. I'm going to be rolling with my Nubian 2 palette. So we're just going to get mad creative. So I'm going to start off with, I think I'll start off with, I'll go in Morocco and use that as my transition. Okay, so now I'm going to go into, let's drop it. We're going to go into, I think we'll go into Jezebel right here and deepen this up. Okay, so now I'm going to go back into Morocco and kind of blend this out a little bit. Okay, so now I'm going to take my e.l.f. crease brush, dip into Jezebel, and go on the outer corner. Okay, so now I'm gonna go off camera per usual, put on my glitter primer, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I put on my glitter primer, and now I think we're going to go into, I think we'll go into Layla right here, and put down the outer portion. Okay, so now I've gone into Layla. There it is. Sorry, I was looking for this. Gone into Layla, down on the outer corner, the outer portion of the lid. Now we're going to go into we're gonna go into Nairobi right here. Oops, right there. Put that on the inner portion. Okay, so now I'm going to take my E36 brush, go back in that Nairobi color, and take it in on the bottom portion. Alright, so now I'm going to take the shade Zuri right here and put that in my inner corner. Alright, so now I'm going to go off camera, put on liner, mascara, and finish all this up, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so hopefully you enjoyed me creating this awesome new look, another episode of experimenting with colors. So if you enjoyed this look, comment below, let me know what you think, and then obviously before we leave, click that subscribe button, hit that bell getting the notifications when I post new videos, and click that like button letting me know you're liking everything. So hopefully you enjoyed this, and until next time guys, deuces.